Let's create a new dashboard to represent fiscal report. First, we'll show a multi-card to represent total revenue and total gross profit and other details. From just we need to select a multi-card and just apply total unit in field option, field total unit, total revenue, total cost of goods sold and total gross profit. Now let's add a bar chart to represent gross profit by fiscal period. So for that we will select a fiscal period in x-axis, a gross profit in value. We can apply a conditional formatting to represent a higher value in different color and lower value in different color. Let's go to the format tab. You can do by using a data color. If you are able to see a 3 dot, just click on 3 dot and select conditional formatting. You can apply the color on the lowest value. If you want to a different color, you can change the color. And apply it. If you want to show a data label, you can also select a data label in format tab. In format tab, just click on data label. It will reflect a data label. Now let's create a line chart to represent a particular data by quarter wise, fiscal period wise. For that, first we'll select a line chart on blank canvas. We will select a fiscal period and we will represent here a gross profit. We need to select on a line chart and then we need to apply fiscal period and gross profit. And here in table, I want to use, instead of table, I will select a matrix tab to represent a multiple value. Here I can show, instead of gross profit, a fiscal period wise, a percent of gross profit, the average daily gross profit, total units sold, total revenue, total cost of goods sold, and total gross profit. If you click on blank canvas, you're able to view this matrix tab. If you want to apply any conditional formatting, for that, for example, if I want to reflect total revenue and want to add a data bar, you just select a total revenue, just select conditional formatting, select the table, go to the format and select conditional formatting, select total revenue and click on data bar. So it will show you. If you want to apply color also, you can change it. Now let's add a slicer by region. We have a region value in our sales representative table. So we will select a region. As per region wise, we can change the all the other matrix table and charts and other table. If you can select northeast, it will reflect the data for only northeast. And if you can select the southwest, it will reflect the data only for southwest.